File organization, but it's needed in Davinci Resolve. If you have a lot of media, you'll get messy trying to find your files. To organize your media outside of DaVinci, you'll just have to create a folder somewhere on your computer that has all your media pre-organized that you import straight back into the program. I'm gonna leave DaVinci, and I have this folder of files I have ready for this demonstration. Click into that, and you can see I only have a few files just to keep it simple. In addition, I'm going to keep it even more simple by just doing, as you can tell, I have horizontal and vertical footage only. So I'm going to create two folders based off of that. And then now I'm going to move all my horizontal footage to the horizontal folder and vertical to the vertical. It's organized. And now let's go back to the DaVinci and import these files. I'm on the Edit tab right now, but it's best to do this on the Media tab. So go to Media, let's find this on my desktop, under Users, and then Desktop. Then this is my folder. And you can tell, vertical and horizontal, but it's best to do it from the main folder. And you're just gonna right click, add folder and subfolders into Media Pool and create bins. All right, then, boom, there it is. Horizontal, vertical. All my vertical footage there, horizontal here, and then it'll show that way too in the Edit tab, and there it is. And to organize media inside DaVinci, it's best to go from the Edit tab to the Media tab, and it's pretty straightforward. Just click on the clips that you want to organize together. So, gonna follow the same thing. I'm gonna group all the horizontal footage together, and then you're gonna right click all of them and clip operations. Create a bin with selected clips. And then we created the bin, and you can tell it grouped them together, and it's just going to rename this horizontal. Alright, same thing with these. Yep, and there. These are our clips, now organized into folders. And click on the Edit tab, you'll see them that way too. And if you're doing some reorganization, you can actually move your clips that are currently in one bin to another bin. Just drag, and then, boom. I moved the horizontal clip to vertical, and here it is. Fortunately, I don't think there's a way to delete clips from a bin, but if you know a way, let me know. That's file organization in Davinci Resolve. Learn with me and try it out. Subscribe for more learnings, and let me know what I should learn next. And if you want to learn more, watch this video.